Prado with that report.
Yeah, let's talk weather with Jason Dunning. You have had a busy morning, my friend.
Yeah, it started picking up around 2:30 this morning. A lot of us were likely sleeping through it. We had a tornado watch in effect for all of Southwest Florida. And we told you yesterday, this is going to be a quick hitting system. And it's going to be in and out of here just in a matter of hours. And that's the way that it's played out. And it looks like we're going to set up a long stretch of some really nice weather. So not so bad that we had a few hours.
Got that out of the way.
Yeah, I got the thunderstorms out of the way. And now we're going to see some pretty seasonable weather here for this time of year. I want to start with the live Doppler radar, real-time red, scanning up to the north and across our inland communities. And we saw some really nasty storms deeper inland, especially down across the alley, up across Hendry, Glades County, up through Moorhaven. Certainly some storm damage there that we've been investigating throughout the course of the morning. And let me show you the wider perspective. Notice the rain down to the southeast of us. Oh, it was just about 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. All of this was right here over Southwest Florida. So it's made a lot of progress here through the first part of the day today, and it'll continue to move farther away from us as we head into the second half of the day. And quite the scene, beautiful view there with sunny blue skies as we look live from Marco Island. Wind gusts early this morning getting up to around 40 to 45 miles per hour. That's, of course, when those storms rolled in, and since then the winds have been relaxing. The highest gusts, at least we've observed on our Weather Now network, has been around 50 miles per hour. That was in around Estero, but certainly deeper inland where we had a tornado, for example, around Miles City. We saw reports on our Doppler radar, at least an estimate of wind gusts up to around 80 to 90 miles per hour. So that's certainly quite impressive. And temperature-wise, we're pleasantly in the low to mid 70s. Not going to warm up a whole lot more as we head into the second half of the day. So let's take a little tour. Not much cloud cover out there this afternoon. So for those of us to the north, around Northport, Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, we got in our rain early this morning, and we're going to see a nice sunny afternoon, mid to upper 70s there. As we slide southward across Lee County, 76 across the Cape, 77 Fort Myers. Even a couple communities perhaps flirting with 80 degrees this afternoon over eastern parts of Lee County. 76 Bonita Springs, 74 Naples. We're in the upper 70s, a little bit deeper inland. Out toward Golden Gate, we're going to see a nice dip in humidity as well, especially this evening and tonight. So if you're heading out tonight, any evening plans, want to make sure you have a light jacket at least. Temperatures will cool off into the mid 50s by early tomorrow morning. This is right around 7 a.m. We're down to 50 in Arcadia, 53 LaBelle, 54 Immokalee. Mostly between 55 and 58 degrees from Fort Myers south down through Naples and Marco Island. So here's the weather story as we go through the rest of the week. This is this afternoon around 1 o'clock. This cold front now down to the southeast of us. That'll continue to clear the peninsula, and that blue line basically represents the leading edge of the cool, dry air. That continues to flow into Southwest Florida as we head through the overnight period and on into tonight. Here's 11 o'clock. Looking ahead through Wednesday, a nice, beautiful, sunny start to the day on Wednesday, and sunshine galore as we head into the afternoon. We actually have another weak front. You look here to the north, there's another weak front coming in. It looks like by late Wednesday, but that's really not going to cause a whole lot of commotion. You probably wouldn't even know it was moving in if I hadn't told you. We're not going to see any rain with that. And as we look ahead into the rest of the week, we've got mid 70s here all the way through Friday and actually all the way through Saturday. Overnight lows pretty steady there in the mid 50s, so no 40s expected this week across Southwest Florida. Really just a nice stretch of delightful weather all the way through the weekend and into early next week. That's your NBC2 First Alert forecast.
Now that's a welcome change. Jason,